Greetings, family. We're live on Revolutionary Camp, and we are in Ghana. This is October 31st, and it is Mr. Bomani's birthday, and we are representing, doing a city tour.
Happy birthday, man.
Yes, yes.
Bomani.
Yes, and as you can see, we got the black and gray edition of the Africa for Africans t-shirt on, and we're doing the Pan-African Day today. That's when we do the city tour. We're going to Du Bois Memorial, Nkrumah Memorial, and also George Padmore Memorial. And we're going to keep it Pan-African today.
There it is.
All right, let me get some energy from you, Righteous.
Okay. Waba. This is Ghana.
Good morning, Ghana. Good morning, Ghana. Power to the people.
Yes, so what is everybody looking forward to today?
Africans.
Nkrumah Memorial Park.
All right, excellent. What about yourself,
Nkrumah.
Right? Come on, don't all say the same thing.
Oh,
We have like 10 things on the itinerary.
You put me on the spot.
Everything, man.
That's just
Right.
Look like we got a set of twins right here.
I found his. You said twins.
Yeah, good morning. How are you?
Oh, good morning. Hi. I found this twigs.
Yes, family, we're looking for another wonderful day here in Ghana. We're on our way to do a city tour, and this is our luxurious bus, our Coaster Toyota that's cruising all the way around the country with us. And family, the Micklin is just straight up our home. That's the first place we go to when we come to Ghana. It's literally about 10 minutes from the airport, and you're in this beautiful neighborhood of Isogon. I just love this neighborhood. It's incredible, and to really appreciate the neighborhood, you just got to make your way around the neighborhood. This morning we were doing jogging for morning exercise on the second half of our morning exercise, and just went around the neighborhood, and I just always love the beautiful homes in Isogon. It just reminds me of, of what I wish people would think about when we talk about Africa. And as you see, our sister, she has our cultural bag on.